Oke.
Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you guys?
I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fine. And you?
I'm pretty good. I hope you are all stay healthy and have a good prayer day. Okay, now I'll give you the materials about talk about yourself. And sebelum kita mengawali, please give a prayer, take a prayer. Al-Fatihah, bareng-bareng yuk. Dimulai dari sekarang. Al-Fatihah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, arrahmanirrahim, maliki yaumiddin, iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, ihdinas siratal mustaqim, siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim, ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Okay, nice. Now let's start our materials today by showing the videos.
English conversation practice. Self-introductions. Hello, my name is Mark. I am 52 years old. I like watching movies. I live in Japan. I play tennis. I don't like asparagus. My favorite color is blue. I have a cat and a dog. Okay, now it's your turn. Tell me about yourself.
Oke, itu tadi contoh pengenalan diri. Tapi yang belum terlalu spesifik ya. Sekarang saya akan menunjukkan lagi satu video lagi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ini bisa terdengar ya?
Hello guys, bisa ma'am. Novalina Putri and you can call me Dario. I was born on 22nd November 2003 in Makassar. I live in Jenathalasa residence D2A number 17. My citizenship is of course Indonesian. I'm a 14 years old. I'm a student of the first grade of Science 1 at State Senior High School of Nainggoa, South Sulawesi Province. My favorite subjects are English and maths. I like maths very much. I don't know why, but I like to count something. It's interesting for me if I have to find the answer of math question. I also like English because I wanna know more how about the grammar, the pronunciation, and etc. Because English is also an international language, so we have to know how to speaking in English. As for hobbies, I'm really into songs and music. My favorite song is Perfect by Ed Sheeran, Imagination by Shawn Mendes, 2002 by Anna Mary, and You Are the Reason by Callum Scott. I'm really into Wattpad story too. Wattpad is an application at smartphone where we can reading story. There are stories about love, horror, comedy, and etc. My blood type is O because my father's blood type is also O and my mother's blood type is A. By the way, my father's name is Aldinata, but he has passed away 2 years ago. My mother's name is Yuniarti. Her occupation, she's short at in the canteen of the junior high school of One Sungguh Minasa. Okay, my language or my daily spoken is of course Indonesian. Well, again, my ideas. I want to be a doctor or a teacher. But the important thing is that I want to be someone who can be useful for everyone. Okay, so maybe that I can say, I'm sorry if my grammar or my pronunciation is not good. I'm Ramdana Valdinata. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, ini tadi barusan video yang sudah saya tunjukkan tentang talk about myself or talk about yourself. Mungkin dari kalian ada yang bertanya mungkin? Sekarang saya stop share dulu. Ya, Naili silahkan.
Apakah boleh memperkenalkan diri dengan lebih memperkenalkan secara pribadi, Mem? Seperti menceritakan hobi atau kesukaan lainnya?
Boleh, kalau misalkan talk about yourself ini tuh lebih spesifik, jadi lebih mengenalkan secara pribadi itu boleh, sangat diperbolehkan. Bahkan kayak tentang hobi atau favorit masing-masing itu boleh disebutkan semua. Istilahnya curhat lah ya, kayak gitu boleh.
Terima kasih, Mem.
Ya, sebentar ya.
Talking about self. What is talking about self? Talking about self is similar with introduction to yourself because they both convey identity. Then to these two materials, what's the difference? What do you think? Talking about self and introduction are the same, but the information conveyed when telling yourself is not as short as when introducing yourself. Introduction are just includes personal information such as name, birth, origin, and hobbies. Meanwhile, when you telling about yourself, not only your identity is mentioned, but also things related to you, as example about family or the others, like your favorite things. Maybe you can tell your story about pengalamanmu, your experience, atau the other. Jadi lebih personal, lebih pribadi, dan lebih dekat gitu ya. Okay, next. As example, let me introduce myself. My name is Karina, as example loh ya. Terus, I would like to introduce myself. I am Karina. Terus, allow me to introduce myself. I am blah blah blah. I want to introduce myself. My name is blah blah blah. Good morning or afternoon, evening. My name is Karina. Kalian harus bisa menggunakan sapaan juga sebelumnya karena ya menyesuaikan lah ya. Sesuai dengan hari itu termasuk siang, pagi atau malam. Kemudian I like atau apa gitu hobinya gitu disebutkan. Kemudian my favorite misalkan color, food, drinks, or the other. Next. As example, let me introduce myself. My name is Sanya. You can call me Nia. I'm from Madiun. Previously, I live at Jalan Manisujo number 2 Madiun. I am a student of Senior High School 1 Madiun. I go to school by my motorcycle. I like swimming and reading. Itu hobinya disebutkan. Kemudian I usually go to iClub to swim on Sunday morning. Talking about books, I have many books about computer. I want to be a computer programmer in the future. My favorite food and drink are fried rice and iced tea. Okay. Kemudian next. Introduction to other. Like family on and the other. Or your friends maybe. Ini ungkapan yang umum digunakan untuk memperkenalkan orang lain. Coba Alisa dibaca, contohnya apa aja?
Baik, ma'am. First, I would like to introduce you to blah blah blah. Second, let me introduce you to blah blah blah.
And I would like you to meet blah blah blah. I want to introduce you to blah blah blah. Hi Erna, this is Sony. Sony, this is Erna. And I have two brothers. They are blah blah blah. And my father is a blah blah blah. And my mother works as blah blah blah.
Okay, good. Next. Nah, ini sebagai contohnya nanti bisa kalian baca ya, saya kirimkan di WhatsApp group. Karena kalian harus banyakin literasi ya, guys. By the way, ini ada percakapan agar kalian lebih memahami dan memperhatikan saya mau mempraktekkan dengan kalian. Saya sebagai Miss Irma, Dewi sebagai, Nailis sebagai Dewi ya. Kemudian studentnya bareng-bareng ya. Dan Dodi, Alisa sebagai Dodi, dan Rina, Eka. Oke, bisa kita mulai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody, attention please.
Yes, ma'am.
We have a new student. She wants to introduce herself to you. Okay, Devi, please introduce yourself.
Hello, friends. How do you do?
Hello, how do you do?
How do you do?
Hello, do you do? Let me introduce myself. I am Dewi Sinta. You can call me Dewi. I'm from Pekalongan. I live at Jalan R.E. Marta Dinata, number 23, Batang. Previously, I studied at SMK N1 Pekalongan. My parents and I moved to Batang a week ago. He is a math teacher. My mother is a housewife. She rides me to school with a motorcycle. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Dewi.
Meet you.
What do you like to do in your spare time, Dewi?
Well, I like reading books and writing some article.
Those are great hobbies.
What do you think to eat and drink, Dewi?
Well, my favorite food is fried rice and iced tea.
Thanks for your introduction, Dewi. And now please have a seat. Okay, great. Kalian semua sudah lancar ya membacanya. Speakingnya udah bagus. Next. Additional. Ini seperti kayak tambahan pertanyaan yang lazim dalam dialog transaksional tentang perkenalan. What is your name? Where are you come from? And then where do you live? What is your father? Menanyakan pekerjaan orang tuanya, kayak gitu kan udah umum general ya. What does your mother do? Itu juga. Next. Kemudian pronoun. Oke, guys, ini sebenarnya hanya tambahan saja karena ini sudah basic, seharusnya kalian mengerti pronouns. Ini nanti akan saya share lagi di WhatsApp group, jadi kalian bisa membacanya. Jadi saya ingatkan lagi, banyakin literasi ya. Because maybe it can you use in the future. Ya, siapa tahu kalau kalian nanti mungkin bisa jadi translator, kan kita nggak ada yang tahu ya. So you can read these pronouns. I'll share you this pronoun in the WhatsApp group. Next. Thank you. And then now, I'll give you 3 minutes to make a discussion like tadi yang kita perankan tadi, praktekkan tadi. Kalian di sini kan ada 3 orang ya. Jadi kalian buat diskusi, buat percakapan, dialog yang kayak tadi, 3 orang tentang perkenalan kayak tadi ya. Gimana? Bisa?
Bisa, ma'am.
Oke, 3 minutes ya. 3
Yes.
minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
WhatsApp grup ya. Silahkan didiskusikan. Oke, saya tunggu.
Baik, ma'am.
Oke, sudah.
Sudah, ma'am.
Sudah, ma'am.
Oke, sekarang kalian praktikan. Saya akan mendengarkan.
Baik, ma'am. Mulai ya, ma'am.
Ya,
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Eka, and you?
My name is Alisa. Nice to meet you, Eka.
Nice to meet you too, Alicia.
By the way, let me introduce to my friend. Her name is Nailis.
Oh, hello, Nilis. Nice to meet you. I'm Eka.
Hello, my name is Nailis. Nice to meet you too. Where do you come from?
I'm from Blora, and you?
I'm from Pemalang.
Oh, I see. And you, Alicia?
I live in Rembang.
Nice to meet you guys.
Sudah, ma'am.
great, bagus. So guys, tidak ada pertanyaan lagi?
Not, ma'am.
Not, ma'am.
Oke, nggak ada ya, soalnya menurut saya ini termasuk mudah, jadi saya harap kalian semua memahami. Baik lagi, saya akan menyimpulkan materi tentang talk about yourself. Talk about yourself adalah pada intinya itu menceritakan tentang diri sendiri, talking about yourself, talking about your favorite, your hobby, and the others, like family or maybe yang lebih pribadi ya. Jadi kita lebih bisa mengenal lebih dalam kepada seseorang. Jadi perkenalan sekaligus memperkenalkan favoritnya, hobi, dan mungkin family, and mungkin your close friend or the others. Oke. Kemudian saya akan berikan tugas kalian untuk minggu depan membuat dialog, 2 dialog tadi ya. Dan jangan lupa untuk nanti dikumpulkan kepada saya dan akan saya cek minggu depan ya. Minggu depan langsung dikumpulkan langsung dan dipraktikkan langsung ya. Oke, jadi kalau tidak ada pertanyaan lagi, saya tutup dengan hamdalah bersama-sama. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Okay, and thank you so much, guys, for joining my class today. I hope you are all stay healthy and have a good radio days. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
Wassalamualaikum
ma'am.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.